Good morning, everyone. My name is Magdaleno R. Vasquez Jr., and today I'll be presenting our project titled Development of Plasma Coating Processes for the Furniture Industry. This is a DOST-funded project under the CRADLE program in collaboration with the Chamber of Furniture Industries of the Philippines. The furniture industry is one of the labor-intensive and creative industries here in the Philippines. It employs around 2.1 million workers and provides businesses to around 5.4 million people. 98% of the companies in this industry are classified as small and medium-scale enterprises. In 2014, the gross value added to manufacturing from this industry is around 96 million pesos. In terms of exports, it totaled around $362 million. At present, the industry relies on imported components, including the coated components. Hence, the industry must strive to become less dependent on foreign-based technologies. Hence, to remain sustainable and relevant, the industry must rely on domestic technologies. One technology that can be developed and adopted locally are plasma-based coating processes. Right now, the industry has been limited in terms of customization of parts. If they are to import this, it becomes more expensive with 20% of the cost accounted for importation. Aside from this, you have longer lead time for these imported products. Hence, there's a need for local coating facility for customization of these components. Aside from that, there are also some risks of other or current technologies on coating, such as powder coating. And finally, the industry is looking for alternative coating processes and products. Here's an example of a comparison between a PVD coated and powder coated component. As you can see, using a steel wool scratch test, the powder coated surface can be scratched easily compared to what we call the PVD or physical vapor deposited surface. So our solutions that we are bringing forward is that first, we want to have a domestic coating facility to cater to the needs of the industry. We can provide a menu of different processes that they can choose and tailor these properties depending on the application. This should make a shorter and faster turnaround time and thereby making the components cheaper. We also want to promote plasma-based processes to improve the quality of the surface, extend the service life, and minimize environmental risk. Hence, we propose this project to develop different plasma-based processes for the coating of furniture parts and accessories. So first, we look at or use vacuum-based thin film deposition systems, such as this device as shown in the slide. So we have a spatter type deposition system and sheet plasma type deposition system. So these are some of the results. So we can coat different substrates from glass, metals, to polymers, and so on. So right now we want to come up with different processes for different finishes, from gold finish to rose gold finish, black, and even blue finishes. So eventually we will come up with these different coating processes depending on the needs of the user. These are our industry partners. So aside from the chamber, we also have Mitimic and Nature's Legacy. So these are some of our consultative consultation meetings with our partners in their sites. So I would like to acknowledge the Department of Science and Technology, Science for Change program, especially the CRADLE program, the Chamber of Furniture Industries of the Philippines, and finally, Upscale. Thank you and good morning.